This is an unboxing video of the Burris XTR2 5x25x50 first or front focal plane illuminated scope. So this is a Burris scope. And in the box we can see, well, immediately we can see they're making a point about their warranty. And here we have the accessories. We have a cleaning cloth, a battery and an Allen wrench, setting that up for the and a warranty card, setting that up for illuminated reticle. You can see here that we have they've attached the shade here, so I guess we're going to have to just pull off those scope cap. It's great that they include the scope cap, and there is a diopter adjustment here before you put the scope cap on. So you can see solid warranty comes with it. That's obviously a point they're making. Scope caps both ends. Again, pretty long scope. Interesting setup here on the turrets. We got, looks like 2 rotations, and you can see very tactile solid feeling turrets. Obviously the magnification here, basically all the features you need. Illumination dial, parallax, and again this is an MRAD scope or milliradian scope. It feels solid. Let's see how much it weighs. So 1 pound and 16 ounces. It feels really well made, incredible considering the price point of it. Feels like a very solid scope, as you would expect from a high quality manufacturer. So that is a quick overview of the XTR2 from Burris.